name is Sai Sharanya. I am studying 5th class, MPPS Lakshmipur. States and capital cities: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Empire; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Azal; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chhattisgarh; Sikkim, Gangtok; Rajpur, Tamil Nadu; Chennai, Telangana; Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh; Lucknow; Uttarakhand; Dehradun; West Bengal; Kolkata.